By flicking the lever on this remote control, we will send a train's electric potential energy into electric kinetic energy by forcing it to go down the ramp. The ramp will, by forcing the train to go down it, alleviate the stress on this piece of yarn. The piece of yarn is connected to a pulley-like system up over a rod and into a tennis ball. The tennis ball's gravitational potential energy will be changed into kinetic energy as it goes in its pendulum-like swing, hitting this lever. The lever is attached to a marble maze, which, in its change from potential to kinetic energy, will release the marble. The marble, through its potential to kinetic energy-like change, will go down this funnel and begin its marble-like screw. The screw will end on this inclined plane. Throughout the inclined plane, the marble still has kinetic energy. The potential energy of these dominoes will be transferred into kinetic as they fall one by one onto each other until the final two end up in this orange container. The orange container, through a simple pulley-like mechanism, will raise this lift in order to bump into the kiva ball, which will change from potential to kinetic mechanical energy. It will go down this chute and end up going and hitting the Lego Mindstorm. The Lego Mindstorm, by using a simple programming technique to cause the sound to trigger it to move, will go forward until it hits this tower. This tower, in turn, will release this bucket with marbles in it, which will cause tension on this length of yarn attached to the fob. This fob currently has potential electric energy, but will quickly be changed to electric kinetic energy as it is pulled. The fan blades have electric potential energy, but that too will be quickly changed to electric kinetic energy since it will be moving and causing this simple clipped flashlight to go forward on the length of fishing line attached to the other end of the wall. Across here, we find the Jenga dominoes, which now have potential energy. They will be quickly changed into kinetic energy as the flashlight hits the first one and triggers a chain reaction. The final one will knock into the purple kiva ball, which will change it into kinetic energy from potential. The kiva ball will roll along this length of Jenga tiles until it runs into this disc. The disc is armed with a needle and a cork in order that it will, changing from potential to kinetic energy, slide along this strip of fishing line and pop the balloon. The balloon is half filled with water, which will, in turn, achieve our ultimate goal, to water the plant.